much green, you think? Green jacket, green shirt, green shoes, green hat. Nah, I don't think so. I don't think so. You know what I could really use right now? Would you look at that? And it says life is beautiful, just like you. Hope you guys had a good 4th of July weekend. Thanks for joining us back for episode 6. Here's Grider Lakes. Peekaboo! Victory!
Oh, yikes. Okay, super. Much better.
Hope you guys enjoyed episode 6. Next week we'll have Diablo Lake. That one was very entertaining, to say the least. Ran into some interesting wildlife that you'll get to experience next week. Beautiful, just absolutely beautiful. Green, just emerald colored water. I love North Cascade National Park. It's by far my favorite in the state. I haven't explored too much at Rainier though, so that might change. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Give it a like button so YouTube can actually recommend this video and get this video out to the world. Until next week, stay lost, my friends.